Hello, traders. I am working with the Trade Ideas races, and just a name on here, NRGV, caught my eye, and it's doing exactly what I look for these intraday setups. You can see NRGV pulled back. Here's the sweet spot of the day for me, and I'm using this 10 SMA. I picked up this at 485, and it's now a day trade. It's working. If I'm wrong, it's an easy out here for a 5-10 cent loss. But as you can see in real time, as we lean on these pullbacks of stocks that are in play, look at the volume here. Incredible volume, not only incredible volume, but incredible relative volume as well. The relative volume here today is showing off the charts, 45 times normal for this Energy Vault Holdings. So that's how we use the Trade Ideas races for real-time momentum and day trade scanning. Good luck out there.